Hello everyone, welcome to one more informative video about internet. In this video we'll talk about how we can check a website's source code, and to do that we have taken a New York Times as a reference website. Obviously we're not going to change anything in the website, but yes, we'll see how to check some basic coding stuff in this particular website. You may or may not be a developer, but definitely you need this. So stay till the end because we'll be telling about like 4 different techniques that you can actually use uh, to get more information about any of the website. So starting from the first technique, which is a view page source technique. All you have to do is you have to click anywhere in a website. Make sure you're not clicking any text or a hyperlink, otherwise it will give you different option. So if you're clicking the white area or anywhere where the content is not available, you'll have this option. Just scroll a bit down, and the second last option is view page source, this one. Just click it, and in the next video the Chrome window will open the source code. So this is obviously related to the front end source code only and not the back end, because that will not be visible for us due to security reasons. But yes, you can check very important details. For example, title of a website. If you are an SEO executive, you might need it. So you can check this title right here. You can check all the meta information of the website, like phone number and Facebook information, and some pages, some important links, some CSS links. All this information is available right here in page source. So I'm just closing this tab as of now, and moving ahead with the second technique. If you don't want to do this right click and view source thing, all you can do is control U. You can simply press control U on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. This will open the same page and same information which we used using view source option. The next technique is using F12. When I say F12, that means you're going to see only CSS related information. So simply press F12 on your keyboard and you will have a window open or pop-up window which will give you information about the CSS. You can click on elements, console, resources, network, performance, and how much memory it is consuming, and other related stuff. We can close it as of now, and we will open the same pop-up using one more shortcut, which is Control plus Shift plus I if you are using Google Chrome and a Windows environment. Control plus Shift plus I. As soon as you press, you have the same window available to you. You can have a look right here. Network, performance, elements. Okay, elements is an important thing because this gives you a basic information about CSS and other related files. So we'll open it again using a different technique. Simply right click on any heading or any content that you want to, and click on this inspect, and this will open the same window. For example, if you are not a developer, you are you want to have a website, or you may have a website and you want to change the color of this particular heading, just go to this element section, right hand side, and you will find the CSS details or the cascading slide sheet details. Just click on this color, choose the one that you like, red for example, close it, and you will find all the headings have been changed to red. So if you want to see how the website looks in a different color or scheme, or maybe like with a different and a bolder text, so you need to be a developer to know about these CSS classes, or you can learn HTML basic CSS to do more about it. For example, I'll write font size and I'll increase it a little bit. Let's keep it XX large, or you can have it smaller. So there are like a lot of options. You can make these changes to look how the website will look like, and without actually making the changes. As soon as you refresh the site will be back in its original form, because nothing was done in the back end and no page was uploaded. So all we did was a testing on how these techniques work, and if we actually want to see how the website looks like with change of a color, or some content resizing, or maybe some other stuff using CSS, we can do it using inspect element. So apart from the techniques mentioned, we have one more option available. There's a website called viewpagesource.com. Just open it and go to this search bar right here. Type nytimes.com or New York Times, but you have to better you copy and paste the URL here, because the site needs HTTPS or HTTP also, not just the URL. And you click on this view source thing, and if you are a SEO executive, it will be really helpful for you to check titles and meta information or your competition, because it has almost all the information like this. So you can simply copy this and edit this if you need it in your projects element. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and stay tuned. Do subscribe to our channel to know more details about internet, and you'll get like so many videos coming in the pipeline. So click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much.